How to kill Bile Titan in Helldivers 2. The colossal Bile Titans of the Helldivers 2 are massive, formidable insects that regain the supreme on the battlefield due to their sheer size and the incredibly vast amounts of the acid they discharge into the Helldivers. Bile Titans represent one of the most challenging adversaries among the Terminates in the game, typically found in the gold-hued Terminate-controlled region situated on the eastern periphery of the galaxy map aboard your vessel. Initially appearing in the missions of the challenging difficulty as solo threats, these menacing creatures become more prevalent as you escalate the challenge level, eventually becoming the semi-regular adversaries. When engaging Bile Titans, maintaining a considerable distance is paramount. Similar to their smaller counterparts, the Bile Spewers, the primary offensive capability of the Bile Titans is a long-range acid assault capable of swiftly penetrating even the most robust armors. Displaying a speed comparable to that of any Terminate except the Charger, Bile Titans aggressively advance towards their targets without hesitation, unlike the more strategic Brood commanders. Employing the terrain to your advantage is crucial when facing the Bile Titans. Seek cover behind substantial rocks and their indestructible structures to evade their corrosive attacks. Utilize heavy support weaponry as your primary means of damaging these formidable foes, ensuring swift armor penetration with such tools as the autocannon, railgun, and spear. This heavy armament offers optimal armor penetration against the Bile Titans. However, if you lack access to them at lower levels, the anti-material rifle can serve as a viable alternative with a decent armor-piercing capabilities. For enhanced effectiveness, the spare and recoilless rifle necessitated the cooperative efforts of the two Helldivers. Targeting weak spots is crucial in combat. Aim for the bright green underside of the Bile Titan, a vulnerable area akin heavily armored Terminate, and alternatively, focus on the facial region to dismantle armor layers and expose the vulnerable orange skin around the mouth. Implementing a strategic approach, designate one Helldiver ideally equipped with the light armor for enhanced speed and stamina regeneration in order to draw the Bile Titan's attention while others engage in the concentrated fire. This diversionary tactic minimizes the frequency of attacks on your team, allowing for the greater offensive opportunities. In close proximity, Bile Titans tend to forego Bile attacks in favor of the melee strikes, offering a brief respite to contend with the accompanying Bile sweepers. Deploy Gatling, sentries, guard dog, rover, and other defensive assets to fend off additional Termite threats, enabling focused attention on the Bile Titan itself. Employ rapid and forceful stratagems against the Bile Titan, exploiting its vulnerabilities to devastating effect. Orbital and Eagle strikes provide highly effective, particularly when strategically positioned. Notable stratagems for combating the Bile Titan include the Orbital Precision Strike, which is level 0, a reliable option in various scenarios. This orbital laser, which is level 15, delivers substantial damage, tracking the Bile Titan's movements and ensuring the numerous Terminates in its beam. The Orbital Rail Cannon Strike, which is level 20, excels against the large targets like the Bile Titan, automatically locking onto for substantial damage. Among the Eagle strikes, the 500k bomb emerges as a potent single-use weapon, ideal for precise strikes on the Bile Titan before it repositions. While risky, the Eagle Napalm strike offers an effective means to neutralize the Bile Titan and clear out accompanying foes. Targeting the Bile Titan's head with a stratagem, including the Orbital Precision Strike, can result in the instantaneous elimination of this formidable adversary. So this was all about how can you kill Bile Titan in Helldivers 2. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.